In this video, you'll learn how to create incredible Studio Ghibli-style animations using AI video generators. Recently, I have noticed a trend of people creating Studio Ghibli-style images and animations, and I wanted to learn how to do the same. So I started with ChatGPT 4.0. As a product manager, I often feel overwhelmed when everyone wants their features prioritized in our product. To capture this feeling, I created an image using this prompt. Create image. Style should be that of Studio Ghibli. A young man with blonde hair wears a light blue Oxford-style shirt, dark chinos and white trainers. He walks into a corporate office. Multiple employees are coming towards him, each with requests in their hand. Others are emailing him requests at the same time. This young man is intimidated and overwhelmed. That was it, and I was incredibly impressed by the quality of the image. It was exactly as I imagined, full of expression and tone, just like Studio Ghibli movies. But next, I wanted to create a video that could articulate the same concept. First, I tried a tool called Gemno AI. Gemno AI is a tool that generates video content based on text prompts. I adapted my prompt slightly for this from the one that I originally used for the image, and the video that it came up with was quite impressive. It captured the concept of a young man stressed and anxious about his work. However, the footage didn't always look quite like a real person, and it didn't have that Studio Ghibli style. After some research, I tried another tool called PixVerse. PixVerse has a feature that turns photos into a living Ghibli story. This looked great, and it's a great way to take a real photo and animate it directly as a Studio Ghibli short video. For me, I didn't want to work with a real photo. I wanted to work with the image that I'd created in ChatGPT, but I thought I'd try that feature anyway. And the video that it came up with showed the anxious young man suddenly excited by one of the requests he received. Now that was not my aim. This guy is meant to be stressed and anxious. He's not meant to get excited. Although this wasn't exactly what I was looking for, I did feel that PixVerse was the right tool for me and I was on the right track. So I created one more piece of footage, this time adding the image again and describing the scene. I suggested that the young man, although anxious, suddenly has an idea to gather all the requests from his colleagues and add them to a giant whiteboard and prioritise them, impressing his colleagues on the way. With the free plan, I was limited to 5 seconds, but I was really impressed with the output. Although this is just a bit of fun, it does just show you how great these AI tools are at taking an idea that's in your mind, visualizing it as an image, and then animating it. I feel like there's so much potential in this stuff, so if you do try this out yourself, I'd love it if you could let me know in the comments below. What did you do? What kind of images did you create? And what movies did you generate? If you did enjoy this video, please consider leaving a like and maybe even subscribing to the channel. I'm a product manager that works on innovative products, and so I'm exploring what AI can do and sharing some of my experiments and findings with you on this channel. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then why not give that a go? And finally, I'll leave you with this. If, like me, sometimes you feel like you're being given loads of stuff to do at work, well, just create your own Studio Ghibli animation and imagine a different world for yourself.